So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up an InboxDollars account. Now, as we go through this, to get to the same landing page, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below to jump you right to this landing page, and you make sure you see that $5 bonus to go ahead and get that as well. Now, the first thing it's going to ask you on this page is to make sure you check this box off to agree with their terms and conditions. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and click on continue with email to show you the next step. Now, from right over here, it's going to ask for your email address as well as creating a password, and then of course confirming the password. Once we go ahead and fill that out, we're going to click on create account, and I'll show you the next step. Now, from right over here, you're going to have this pop-up menu show up for you, and you got to make sure you confirm your email address to go ahead and get that free $5. So let's go ahead and jump into our email and click on verify, and I'll show you the next step. Once we went ahead and clicked that verification on our email, you can see we have earned our $5. So we're on our way to our first reward. You can go ahead and get started with surveys over here, or you can go ahead and close off with the X on the top right. And then it's going to take you to another pop-up menu that looks just like this. If you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see right over here where it says take me to the home page. And just like that, you went ahead and created your InboxDollars account. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and get started and get your nice sign up bonus. Now, that does help us out to create more free content just like this. And speaking of free content, check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.